Hello my lovely students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and staying healthy at your places. Very good. So welcome back to your science class. So students, as we have completed our chapter number 4 in our previous video, that is our back exercise questions, right? So students, in this video we will do our back exercise questions of our chapter number 5, that is heat and its effect. So in this video we will solve our A part, that is mark the most appropriate answer, and B part, that is very short answer, right? So open your book and open back exercise questions of chapter number 5. So we will mark in the book itself, right students? So let's start. I hope student each one of you have opened page number 54 of chapter number 5, that is heat and its effect. So students, everyone should have a pencil in your hand, and today we will do our A part and our B part, right? And I want to tell everyone that B part, the answer should be written in your science notebook, because student, there are much statement question than the fill-ups. So if we do the work in book, that it becomes very hodgepodge. So try to solve the answers in your science notebook. In the video, I will write all the answers of the question in the book. You also write by listening. Then you have to solve the answers of B part in your science notebook, right? Because there are most of the questions that are in statement form, right? And mark the most appropriate answer in the book itself, but write B part in your science notebook. I hope everyone got what I want to say. Okay, so let's start. So read question number 1. What does question 1 says? So question 1 is heat causes change of state, change of temperature, expansion, all of these. So what does heat cause? So heat cause change of state also, change of temperature also, expansion also. So answer is all of these. When we heat water, students, it starts boiling. That is, it starts expanding with further heat. It produces steam, that is water changes from liquid state to its gaseous state. So this is the reason behind this answer, right? Now we move further. What does question 2 says? Question 2 says that heat causes expansion because heat occupies space, because of increase in the movement of molecules, because matter tries to escape from the heat, because none of the above is true. It is not yet known why heat causes expansion. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is B. Why it is B, bache? On heating, the movement of molecules increases. This increases the average distance between the molecules, thereby causing expansion. So this is the reason behind this. I hope everyone is marking. Very good, student. So moving further, read question number 3. What does question 3 says? Question 3 says that which of these will expand the most on heating? Is it gold, is it water, is it mercury, or is it air? So yes, air expands the most on heating, because student, molecules in the air are not bound to each other, right? Hence the average distance between the molecules will increase considerably when heated. Therefore air will expand more on heating. So this is the reason behind this. Moving further, so what does next question says? Next question is 0 degree Celsius is the same temperature as 0 degree Fahrenheit, 212 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit, 100 degree Fahrenheit. So what is the answer, students? What is the answer? You need to solve this answer. Solve at the site. Then you will find the answer. You know, as if you have seen the video, there is equation of degree Celsius, that is C is equal to 5 upon 9 into F minus 32, right? Now they have given us 0 degree Celsius, the same temperature, right? So they have given us the value of Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, and we will write this equation same, 5 upon 9 F minus 32. So what will it become? If we this become as F is equal to 32, right? So the answer is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to 32, so this is the reason. Bache, you can write the solution here this side so that you can get to know why the answer is 32 degree Fahrenheit. I have solved here. You can see, right? Moving further. Question number 5. What does question 5 says? Read question number 5, student. 5 says a biometallic strip is made of metals M1 and M2. On cooling through the same temperature, M1 contracts more than M2. When the strip is heated, it will. So what happens that they says that the metallic strip is made of metal, some metal XY, you say, or M1, M2 is some metal made of, right? When they cool on the same temperature, M1 contracts, then M2. So when the strip is heated, this happens when they cool, right? But now they are asking what happen if they heat. Does it will bend towards M1, or it will bend towards M2, or not bend at all, or direction of the bending cannot be predicted? So what is the answer? Yes, it will bend towards M2. It will bend towards M2. What is the reason behind this, student? The reason is that because M1, here is written M1 contracts more than M2 on cooling, right? So M1 will also expand more than M2 on heating. So this will happen on same on heating also. So hence the strip will bend toward M2. So this is the reason, because as it contract more than M1, right? So this same will be happen on heating also. So it will bend toward M2. M1 will bend toward M2, right? Moving further. Read question number 6, everyone. Read question number 6. See here, a 10 degree Celsius falls in temperature is equal to. Now they says that a 10 degree Celsius falls in temperature is equal to 10 degree Fahrenheit fall in temperature. 10 degree Fahrenheit fall in temperature, 10 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature, or 18 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature. So what is the answer? So this answer is need to be solved first, student. So student, as you all can see, there is same question written. So I'll show you the solution of this answer, as the answer of question number 6 is B part, that is 18 degree Fahrenheit falls in temperature. So for this, student, you have to solve this answer. How will you solve? You have to assume first, right? For the Celsius scale, you have to assume the initial temperature and the final temperature, and same for the Fahrenheit scale. If we assume Celsius scale as C1 initial and final C2, same for Fahrenheit initial F1, F2 is the final temperature. So if we use the formula that we have learned in our video, that degree C2 minus degree C1 is equal to minus 10 degree C. Why I am using 10 degree C here? Because student, they already have given that a 10 degree Celsius falls in temperature is equal to. So this is equal to this. So as 10 degree Celsius is equal to 5 upon 9, using that formula degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So C2 minus degree C1 is equal to 5 upon 9 into degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So here, student, we have used our initial and our final values for same here and same also here. So when we solve this answer, we get minus 18 degrees Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit 2 minus degree Fahrenheit 1. So what does it indicate? As you can see, there is negative sign. So negative sign implies that in Fahrenheit scale, temperature decreases by 18 degree, right? So the answer will be B part, that is 18 degree Fahrenheit falls in temperature, right? So this is the reason behind this, students. So the answer is B part, that is 18 degree Fahrenheit falls in temperature, right? Mark B part of 6th. So now we move further. Question number 7. So question 7 says that temperature is measured by measuring expansion on heating. Expansion in which of these is most commonly used? Is it solid? Is it liquid? Is it gas? Is it none of these? So the answer is liquid. Why is it liquid, student? Because expansion in solid is minimum, whereas it is very high in gases, right? Hence measurement of temperature can be done easily through the expansion in liquid, as in liquid expansion is neither too much nor too less, right? Moving further, question number 8. What does question 8 says? That when you touch a cold object, does heat flows from your body to the object, or heat flows from the object to your body, or temperature flows from your body to the object, or temperature flows from the object to the body? So the answer is A. Heat flows from your body to the object. The reason is that heat is a form of energy, right? It can flow from one object to another object. However, temperature cannot flow from one object to the other. A cold object contains minimal heat energy as compared to our body. So students, when we touch a cold object, heat from the higher energy region, that is our body, flows to the lower energy region, that is the cold object. So this is the reason that heat flows from your body to the object, right? Now we move further. Now you have to write this part in your notebook, right? So the B part is very short answer. Give one word answer. So what does first question says? Heat is a form of dash. Yes, it is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Question number 2. For scientific work, the dash temperature scale is used. Which temperature scale is used? Yes, it is Kelvin. K-E-L-V-I-N. Kelvin temperature scale is used. Moving further. The apparatus commonly used in the laboratory to show expansion on heating is the string and dash apparatus. It is ball apparatus. B-A-L-L, ball apparatus. Moving further, question number 4. What does question 4 say, student? So student, question 4 says that a solid is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Its volume increases from V1 to V2. It is now cooled to 0 degrees Celsius. Will its volume at 0 degrees Celsius be V1 or V2? So see student, here there are questions are in the form of statement. So now I will provide you the solutions of this answer, right? So now I will give you the solution. Then by seeing that solution, you all can write the answers in your notebook, right? So let's start the solution. I'll show you the solution on the screen. So see here student, on your screen there is solution of question number 4. Everybody can see? As we have read the question 4 and I'm repeating it again, a solid is heated from 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. Its volume increases from V1 to V2. It is now cooled to 0 degrees Celsius. Will its volume at 0 degrees Celsius be V1 or V2? So you will write as this. Now you have to write the answers in your notebook. I don't want anybody should write the answers of B part on your book, right? I want you all have to do your work of B part, that is very short answer, in your science notebook. So the answer is at 0 degrees Celsius, the volume of the solid will be V1 again. The molecules of solids are tightly packed. Therefore, on heating to 100 degrees Celsius, the molecules just vibrate at the specific positions, thereby increasing the volume once the solids are cooled. Back to 0 degrees Celsius, the molecules stop vibrating, thereby returning to their specific positions, right? Question number 5. What does question 5 say? So question 5 says that which of these expand the most on heating? Is it solid, is it liquid, or is it gases? So on heating, gases expand the most because the molecules of gases are not bound to each other. The vibration of molecules increases when gases are heated. That's it. You can write this much also. No need of writing these all things because it is written all of liquid and gases, right? You can write till here. I'll tell you where. You can write till here, right? Moving further, question number 6. Question 6 says that all solids expand by the same amount when heated through the same temperature increase. Is it true or is it false? So the answer is false. The reason is that different solids have different arrangements of molecules, hence their molecular bond will also be different. So this brings a difference to the amount of expansion in the different solid at the same temperature, right? Question number 7. What does question 7 says? If overhead electrical cables are being laid in summers, should they be tightened up or left little loose?
So the answer is, if overhead electric cables are laid in summers, they should be left a little loose. Why? This will save the cables from tearing when they start contracting in winters. Question number 8. Question 8 says that which is the true formula? F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32, or C is equal to 9 by 5 F plus 32. So the answer is, the correct formula is F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. It is used to convert temperature on Celsius scale to temperature on Fahrenheit scale. Question number 9. Question 9 says that temperature is usually measured by measuring expansion in gases, since gases expand the most. True or false? The answer is false. No need of writing. You can read here. No need of writing, student. This I am putting a bracket here. See? No need of writing this, but you should all know what is the reason behind this. The reason is that the temperature is usually measured through the expansion in liquid. Gases expand the most, therefore they fall to give the correct reading. Again, solid expand to least, therefore they too fall to give the correct value of temperature. No need of writing this much, only write false, right? This is the reason behind this, so you should all know why it is false, right? Moving further, question number 10. What does question 10 says? What are the upper fixed point of Celsius and the Fahrenheit scales? So the upper fixed point of Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius, at which pure water starts boiling. On the Fahrenheit scale, the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 100 degrees Celsius on the Celsius scale. So question number 11. What does question 11 says? So no need of writing this. This whole is the reason why it is this. So a dash thermometer is used to record body temperature. So the answer is clinical thermometer. So students, that's all for today. So now with this we have completed our A and B part. Yes students? So thank you.
So I hope students, each one of you have marked the questions correctly in your book, right? Very good. So now your homework is that you have to click the picture of the answers and you have to send it to me, right students? And now we will meet in another video and will complete our C and D part. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye students.